Thank you for joining me. This is Dr. Bashir. We have piecewise function problem, and the question is asking us to find the equation for this piecewise function. So we have three different graphs or lines. We have to find equation for each. So we have the first one. I'm finding this one first. So I'm using the equation or the formula for a slope point formula, which is equal to y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1. M the slope and x1 and x1, y1 and x1 is the point where the graph passes through, in the point on the graph. So we can find, for example, this point, which is -5 and 3. That's the point we have here. So we need to find the slope. The slope for the line, we're using the slope concept, which is to see how many you need to go up and how many you go to the right. If you go up, that means you have positive 2, which is y, and then positive 2x, which is the slope mean dividing the difference between y and the difference between x, so which is 2 divided by 2, which is equal to 1. And now we substitute it into the formula we have and find the first equation. So y minus y1, in this case is 3, equal to m in this case is 1, so it should be 1 times x is equal to x, 1 times, we have negative, in this case, and negative. We have x is negative 5, and formula have negative x, so it should be positive 5. So now we have to simplify by adding 3 to both sides. So 3 minus 3 cancel out, so y should equal to x plus 8. That's the first equation we have. So now we have to write it in the piecewise concept. So the piecewise concept, we have to find the function f of x equal to all the function we have for this piecewise function. So the first one we have y is equal to x plus 8. For x, we have to find what the x values are. So the x values starting from here and to here, that's the range for x values. And starting from -5, which is mean -5 less than or equal to. Why we say less than or equal? Because we have closed circle. And x with no equal sign, x have open circle. And now we have to find the equation for the second line and then for the last one. So we have the second line, try to find this one. This one is horizontal line, which is mean y value is equal to 3. So we have y is equal to 3, and then we have to find the x values. For the x values starting from here to here for this line or graph, which is mean from -3, and then we have closed circle, we have to use less than or equal to x, and then to this point, which is again we have closed circle, we have to use less than or equal to, in this case is 1. So now we have to go to the last portion of the graph, which is mean the last line we have to find the equation for the last one, which is this line, Now we have to find it. So now we have to find the slope for this graph and the point. I'm reading this point so we can use it in this formula, which is in this case 3 and positive 3. 3 and 3. That's the point we use at the x1 and y1. And we need to find the slope. So the slope for this one, we have to use again the slope concept, which is mean we have to go up. Let me see how many point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going 6 point up. And then 2.2 unit to the right, which is mean 6 divided by 2, which is equal to 3. That's m. And now we substitute it into the equation. It's a formula we have. So it should be y minus y1 is 3 equal to is 3. 3 times x minus 3 because x1 is 3. And now we have to simplify. So y minus 3 equal to 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 3 is 9. And now you have to simplify it by adding 3 to both sides. 3 to both sides. So 3 and 3 cancel out. So y is equal to 3x and negative 9 plus 3 is equal to positive 6. And that's the last equation we have, which is y is equal to 3x plus 6. For x, we have to find x values. The x values in this case for this graph or line is starting from here to here. Positive 1 of equal sign. So you then no equal sign for less than, and then x. And then x less than or equal to, in this case, 3. So it should be less than or equal to 3 because why? Because we have equal sign. Thank you so much and see you next time. Thank you. And please like it, share, comment, and subscribe for more. Thank you so much.